Welcome back, everyone. A South Dakota company is helping play an important role in our nation's border security. And having just visited U.S.-Mexico's border himself, Congressman Dusty Johnson toured the company to learn more about the impact they're making. KDLT's Miranda Page brings us that story.
Chances are some of the flagpoles and trees you've come across are actually cell towers. Urshman Engineering in Yankton designs and manufactures communication towers for 4G and 5G networks. They disguise the towers that are in close proximity to people. The company is also working on a different kind of tower that recently caught the attention of Congressman Dusty Johnson.
Our country's going to need a lot more towers in the decades to come than we've had in the past. These guys are going to be on the forefront of that. And then, to me, I was also fascinated by what they're doing to try to keep our country safe.
For the last 20 years, the company has designed and built towers for the southern and northern borders of the United States. They're called Remote Video Surveillance System Towers and are designed to hold camera surveillance systems.
You can see daytime or nighttime, which allows more safety for the Border Patrol officers that are out there, because before that they just had sensors on the ground and didn't have any visual reference to see who was coming across, to see how much manpower they truly needed or what kind of a situation there was.
This is an example of a surveillance system near the northern Detroit border, catching several people on a boat crossing over into the U.S. Congressman Johnson recently visited the southern border.
When I went to the border, one thing that stood out clear to me is that you need a variety of solutions to really solve the problem. Everybody thinks about a wall, and of course a wall can be an important part of the solution, but technology, structures like this, where we're putting eyes onto people who want to sneak into this country, this is a much bigger part of the solution than most people realize.
Urshman is currently building a tower that will be going up at the Rio Grande Valley, Texas border with Mexico. Each tower is built based on location.
The reason why this tower is so big in diameter is because of being close to a hurricane area along the coast. It has to be able to sustain those winds and be able to survive that.
Staff say they feel honored to be a part of protecting the U.S., and Representative Johnson agrees.
Just as a South Dakotan, I've got a tremendous amount of pride that we've got a company like this, South Dakotans.
In Yankton, Miranda Page, KDLT News.
The company plans to ship out the tower later this month. Urshman Engineering currently has 140 towers along the northern and southern U.S. borders. We do have to take